Hello everyone, welcome to C.S.E-Pathshala by Nirmal God. I am Avanti Deshmukh and we are starting with C language today. So in this lecture we are going to learn overview of C language and a basic C program. So without further ado, let's get started. Contents of this video are as follows: overview of C language, features of C language, simple steps to create a C program, structure of a C program. So firstly we are going to see overview of C language. C language was first developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs, AT&T, USA in the year 1972. C is most popular and favorite of all languages because C is very easy to learn. It is a structured language. Programs written in C language are fast and efficient in execution. C programs are machine independent, that means they are portable. It is a middle level language, that means it consists of low level language features as well as high level language features. There are just 5 simple steps to create a C program. Think about the logic and write the code. Save the code using .c extension. Compile the code to check any compilation error. Execute and run the code for runtime errors, and you will get your output. Using these 5 steps, you can create any C program. Now we are going to see structure of a basic C program, in which we are seeing first statement is our preprocessor or include statement. Then we have our main function whose return type is int or integer. Main function is written with curly braces. Then we have printf statement. Printf statement is used to print a line or a statement on the output screen. In this program we are going to print hello world. Then we have return statement. Return 0 is the return statement for this function. So students, hope you got the overview of C language and understood the basic C program. For better understanding, write a C program to print your name and address and submit your answers in the comment section. Our next topic is language basics. So till then, if you like the video, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.